Hello student, very warm welcome you all. Dear students, today we will discuss about chapter electricity, class 10th, physics. Dear student, electricity generally we used our homes and with the help of electricity we use bulb, TV, fridge in our homes, and generally in our homes we use electricity for lighting, and electricity is used in industry and transport sector also. In industry, various types of machines are used with the help of electricity, and transport sector it is used to pull electric trains. My dear students, all these above terms are related to charge and current. So first of all, we will discuss about what is the mean of charge and what is the mean of current. Dear students, let's discuss about what is the mean of charge. Charge, we can explain the definition of charge in theoretical and mathematical form. Dear student, suppose you get a questions, what is charge? So your solution you can write, flow of electrons in any conductor is known as charge and its SI unit is coulomb. My dear students, in mathematical form you can define Q is equal to I into T, and you can write product of current and time is known as charge, where Q is charge and I is current, T is time. Just front of it you can write units. Dear students, you can write unit of charge is coulomb. It is represented by capital of C. Unit of current is ampere. It is represented by capital A. Unit of time is second. All these are SI units of the quantity. My dear student, you should have knowledge about what is the meaning of units. Generally, units means in which we measure any quantity that is known as unit of that quantity. This is the definition of charge. You can define in two ways. First, flow of electrons in any conductor is known as charge, and with the help of formula of charge, charge Q is equal to IT, you can write product of current and time is known as charge. SI unit of charge is coulomb. Dear students, after this, we define what is the mean of current and what is the difference in charge and current. Dear student, in the definition of current, you can explain flow of charge in any conductor is known as current, or its SI unit is ampere. Ampere is represented by A. And with the help of its formula, I is equal to Q upon T, you can write flow of charge per unit time in any conductor is known as current. And in the formula, I is representing current and unit of current is ampere. We have discussed earlier. Q is charge, unit of charge is coulomb. T is time, unit of time is second. Dear students, after this, we discuss about what is the mean of 1 ampere of current, and after that, what is the mean of 1 coulomb of charge. You can explain all these terms very easily with the help of formula of these. Dear students, ampere, we know that ampere is the unit of current. So with the help of formula of current, we can easily explain about what is the mean of 1 ampere. Since we know that I is equal to Q upon T, with the help of this formula, we will discuss what is the mean of 1 ampere. To define definition of 1 ampere, we put 1 just before of the unit of that quantity. 1 unit of quantity, ampere is the unit of current. So we write just 1 before the unit of the quantity. 1 before ampere, after that quantity Q, we will write 1 just before the unit. Coulomb is unit of charge, and after that T is given, we write 1 just before the unit of the t. So we have now 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. In the definition, we will include now coulomb and second. In the definition of ampere, we will now include coulomb and second in the terms of the definition of 1 ampere. With the help of this, we can easily explain when 1 coulomb of charge flows in any conductor in 1 second, that is known as 1 ampere of current. Dear students, you can explain in any conductor when 1 coulomb of charge flows in 1 second, that is known as 1 ampere current. This is first definition. With the help of formula, we can explain easily our definition. This is not in the definition of 1 ampere, but we are writing here because we are getting easy terms, easy definition with the help of this. And next terms is what is 1 coulomb. Dear students, 1 coulomb we can explain directly, but for easy terms, for our easy terms, we are writing its formula and writing just before of units of the quantity. Since we know that Q is equal to I into T, Q means charge, unit of charge is coulomb. Questions may be what is 1 coulomb? Dear students, first we will write Q is equal to IT. This is the formula of charge. Charge is equal to I into T. To explain 1 coulomb, we will write 1 just before the unit of the charge. In the formula, we write in next line 1 just before the unit. Q is unit of, coulomb is unit of Q, and we are writing 1 before it. After that is equal to I into T. I means current. Ampere is unit of current. We are writing 1 just before of unit of current. After that, just before unit of time. So now we want to describe what is 1 coulomb. In definition of 1 coulomb, we will include ampere and second terms in the definition. So according to this, we can explain when 1 ampere of current flows through any conductor in 1 second, that is known as 1 coulomb. So in the definition, we are including both these terms, ampere and second. We can explain in any conductor when 1 ampere of current flows in 1 second, that is known as 1 coulomb of charge. These are the initial topics of electricity. Dear students, please revise at your home and try numericals related to Q is equal to I into T and I is equal to Q upon T. After that, we will discuss what is electric potential and what is electric potential difference. These terms are initial topics of these chapters. So try at your home, revise regularly all the topics. Thank you.